Hi loves, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how I cut my own hair at home. It's very simple to cut your hair, and today's video is going to be about how to cut your hair in layers. It just takes about 10 to 15 minutes and it's really simple and any one of you can do it at home. So without any further ado, let's get started. So to cut my hair, I'm going to use a salon scissor. Please don't use any normal scissor. Just go and buy yourself a salon scissor. These are really cheap. I think I got this for 150 rupees. Before I cut my hair, I'm going to straighten it so we get a precise cut and everything is nice and even. My hair looks kind of oily because I've not washed it for 2 days, so that's why it's a little oily. After straightening your hair, you're going to flip your hair back. Okay, into a ponytail. So you have to make sure that the ponytail is right in the center of your face. So just make sure it's not tera. So this is how much I'm going to cut. Not cutting much. Just want to get rid of the bottom bits, which is the dry ends and the split ends. So yeah. So this is after point cutting everything. Now we will open our hair and check. So this is what my hair looks like. It's much healthier compared to before because we got rid of all the dead ends. We got a nice and short step in the front, and then you can keep adding the hair and you can see how beautiful the cut is looking. That's it for today's video. I hope it was helpful, and if you do end up trying it, do tag me on Instagram. My handle is right here. Like this video if you enjoyed it and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I'm going to see you very soon in my next one. Bye!